Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making a hearty chicken soup just in time for the winter. Let's get started. We need 2 pounds young chicken with the bones, 2 stalks celery, 1 ear of corn, 6 medium-sized turnip, 2 large onions, 1 bunch coriander, two small carrots, 1 bunch spinach, lemon and lime, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup starch, a tablespoon fresh turmeric, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1.5 tablespoon salt, 4 garlic cloves. Chop the onion roughly and place in your pressure cooker. Crush in the garlic as well. Grate in the turmeric and pour in 1 liter of water. Then add in the chicken, seal the lid and place on medium-high heat until the pressure cooker starts to sound, and let it go for 2 minutes. Then let it sit and depressurize. In the meantime, chop the rest of your vegetables and shred the turnips with the larger side of a box grater. Open the lid of your pressure cooker and remove the chicken from the stock. Debone and shred all the chicken, then add in 2 more liters of water to the pot. Add in pepper, chicken and remaining vegetables, except for the coriander. Reseal the lid and replace on heat. In the meantime, add the cornstarch to half a liter of cold water. Stir and add the salt, 2 egg whites, and then slowly pour in the soup as you stir. Now your soup is ready to serve. Pour in a bowl, garnish with coriander and lemon slice. Squeeze in a wedge of lime, sprinkle some black pepper over it and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comments, leave them below. If you want more recipe like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.